Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can install full version of K7 Total Security Antivirus in your computer and many more things. Stay with me, my name is Gaurav and you are watching Honest Mark. It is mentioned about 3 things above this software itself, like free version upgrade, 100% protection, enhanced technology, 1 PC for 1 year, simply user interactive and no compromise for PC performance. Let's see to turn it. There are 16 functions inside this software which are as follows. You get a bonus tool that includes 6 types of softwares. I brought this K7 software from the market around 400 rupees. In this software, easy to use, automatically detects and remove virus from your PC. Let's open it. We got an installation K7 driver CD that we will install it in our computer. After that we get a small card in which its license key written for activation product. After that antivirus become full version. Let's install this CD in computer. How do we install it? First open DVD-ROM drive. After that we will place this CD inside it. Now close this DVD-ROM. As you can see, after inserting K7 CD, a pop-up has come on the screen which is related to your autoplay, and from that you can select and decide which option you want, executable file or folder. So we have 2 options, either you can use this or this option. So I will start from this. I'll click it. In this, it is asking me to quick install, custom install, and we have a CD browser, user manual, install, Adobe Reader and quick reference. So I'll install this quick. The next screen is installed. After installing this software, it is asking me to activate or activate later. I have a password, so let's start to activate this software. In my screen, it is asking that I have a serial key, yes or no. So I have that, and I will I want to try for a demo. So I have a key, I will click on it and next button. Now as you can see, enter your serial number, name of your company, your name or email address, your mobile number and which PC you are using that name. And we have down 3 buttons, back, next and cancel. Then after, as you can see the email ID which I have entered, so one time PIN, it will go to my email ID to confirmation. So let's click and wait for the PIN. So I got PIN. I got 6-digit PIN on my email ID. After filling all the information, then submit button. Finally, this software has been installed successfully in PC. This software is automatically updating itself. The updation of this software is completely done. Close this software and start again. This is a new interface that there are 3 information about. Last update, which was updated 6 hours ago. I installed it on 15th October 2020. 1 year licensed I got, so which will end on 15th October 2021. Second is virus definition, which will tell you the version. Last is subscription, which will tell you the how many days it's left. Friends, that's all in this video. How did you like this information? If you have any query, you can ask me in comments.